Hey guys, so today we're making green plantain salad, so let's get started. Okay y'all, so before I jump into the recipe, let me just say this came about by total accident. I was trying to make green fig salad, green banana salad, but I used Instacart to buy the ingredients and they delivered green plantains instead of green bananas. So I was like, you know what, let's just try it out and see how it turned out, and it actually turned out amazing, you guys. Like, it's so delicious, it's giving green fig a run for its money. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna share the recipe with you guys. If you guys try it, let me know how it turns out and if you enjoyed it. All right. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is boil some saltfish. You want to cook the saltfish. So I boiled it twice for about 10 to 15 minutes each time to remove some of all that salt that the saltfish comes with. Okay, and when you boil it the second time, you're going to put fresh clean water in there. Okay, so next you want to rub your hand with some oil. This is to prevent your hand from staining from the green plantain when you're peeling it. Okay, so next I'm using a small knife and I'm just gonna peel the plantain like you see me doing in the video, you guys. The first time you try to peel it, it might be a little bit tricky, but just do your best. Okay, and then what I did was I cut my plantains because I was using a smaller pot to cook them, but you don't really have to cut them if you're using a big enough pot. And I place it into a saucepan covered with water, and you're gonna bring that to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna let the plantains cook for about 15 minutes or so until you can use a fork and pierce it and it's fork tender. So next I chopped up some veggies. So I minced a few cloves of garlic, diced up half of a red, orange, green bell pepper, and about half of an onion. Okay, next, once the saltfish finished cooking, you're gonna put it in a bowl, throw out that water that we boiled it in, and use a fork to shred the saltfish. So you're just gonna flake up the saltfish. Okay, so next you want to get a frying pan and place it over medium heat, you guys, and once it's hot, drizzle a little bit of oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. And then what you're gonna do is add in all of the veggies we cut up, so the onion, bell peppers, garlic, all of that. Okay, add it into the pot and you're gonna let this saute for about 2 minutes, not long at all, just until the veggies start to soften a tiny bit and start to sweat a little bit. Okay, and then you're gonna turn off the stove. Okay, so once the plantains is cooled, you're gonna cut it up and dice it into smaller pieces like you see here. Place that into a bowl, and now it's time to put together the salad. So I added the flaked saltfish and then the sauteed veggies on top of the plantain, and I gave that a slight mix. Next, I'm gonna season it up a little bit, so I use a little bit of onion and garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper, and that is it for seasoning the salad. Then you're gonna give the salad a good mix after you add in some mayo. All right, so I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons. You add as much as you like. The more you add, the creamier it'll be. All right, so start with about 2 to 3 tablespoons, mix it and adjust if you need any more. But that's it, you guys. Once you add the mayo and you mix it really well to combine, you can cover the salad and let it chill in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. And that's how I make plantain salad. Pretty simple recipe, but it's so delicious, you guys. The flavors just mesh well together. You don't need to add any salt in this salad because the saltfish has salt in it already. Okay, this is a great replacement for potato salad, so you can give this a try instead of having potato salad as a side one day. It's so delicious. It's good by itself as well. It's amazing. I hope you guys try the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys, so you can see all of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for all of the support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.